Ever heard the story of the woman who went from struggling to make ends meet to manifesting millions, all with the power of her words? Yeah, me neither. Until I discovered the teachings of Neville Goddard and the incredible potential of manifestation. Manifestation isn't some mystical secret or wishful thinking. It's a deliberate practice, a way to shape your reality with intention and focus. And today, we're diving deep into this powerful tool. Forget vague notions of good vibes. We're taking Neville Goddard's wisdom and breaking it down into a clear, actionable method you can use to manifest anything you desire: a better job, a loving relationship, financial abundance. It's all within your reach. Okay, let's begin. Neville Goddard, a mystic and philosopher, offered a profound framework for understanding manifestation. For him, it wasn't about some magical formula, but a fundamental shift in our perception of reality. He taught that manifestation is the art of consciously creating a life that resonates with our deepest desires and intentions. Central to his teachings is the idea that our thoughts are the architects of our reality. Every thought we have, every word we speak, is a brushstroke on the canvas of our lives. When we focus on lack, limitation, or negativity, we inadvertently paint a picture of those very things. But when we choose to focus on abundance, joy, and possibility, we open ourselves up to a world of infinite potential. This is where the power of words comes in. Words aren't just tools for communication. They are potent seeds that we plant in the fertile soil of our subconscious mind. And just like any seed, the words we choose will determine what grows in our lives. By focusing on specific words and phrases that align with our desires, we set in motion a chain reaction that ripples through our subconscious and ultimately manifests in our external world. Think of your subconscious mind as a garden. It doesn't discriminate between good and bad seeds. It simply nurtures whatever you plant. So if you constantly feed it doubts and fears, that's exactly what will flourish. But if you consciously choose to plant seeds of hope, belief, and gratitude, you'll cultivate a rich harvest of abundance and joy. Friends, clarity is the compass that guides your manifestation journey. The clearer your vision, the easier it is for the universe to respond. So take a moment and paint a detailed picture of your desires using words that ignite your senses. Instead of saying, "I want a better job," describe the ideal workspace, the supportive colleagues, the fulfilling tasks, and the sense of accomplishment you'll feel. Instead of, "I want more money," visualize the luxurious vacations, the financial freedom, the generosity you'll extend to others, and the deep sense of security it brings. This vivid detailing does more than just create a pretty picture. It aligns your entire being, your thoughts, emotions, and energy with your desires. When you truly feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if your desire is already manifested, you become a vibrational match for it. But what about those pesky doubts and fears? We've all been there, haven't we? The nagging voice that says, "This is too good to be true," or "Who am I to deserve this?" Neville Goddard taught that faith is the antidote to these doubts. He emphasized the importance of believing in our imaginal acts, our ability to create new realities through the power of our imagination. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try, "I am worthy and deserving of all good things." Instead of "I always fail," say, "I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to." These simple shifts in language can create a profound shift in your energy and outlook. Friends, manifestation isn't about clinging desperately to your desires. It's about setting your intentions, believing in the possibilities, and then letting go. This doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting that the universe has your back and allowing the manifestation to unfold in its own perfect timing. Setting intentions is not the same as making a wish. A wish is a fleeting desire, often laced with doubt and longing. An intention, on the other hand, is a conscious decision, a declaration of your purpose. It's a commitment to aligning yourself with the universal flow rather than trying to force things to happen. So when you speak your intentions, use language that reflects this alignment. Instead of saying, I hope to find love, declare, I am open and receptive to love. Instead of, I wish I had more money, affirm, I'm attracting abundance into my life. This aligns you with the law of assumption, a cornerstone of Neville Goddard's teachings. It suggests that by assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you're essentially telling the universe, I'm ready for this. This doesn't mean ignoring the present reality. It means shifting your focus to the desired outcome and allowing it to unfold naturally. Phrases like, I trust the process, I am grateful for what is coming, or I surrender to the divine timing are powerful affirmations that promote this sense of letting go. They release the need for control and open you up to receive the abundance that the universe has in store for you. Be open, be receptive, and be willing to surrender. Sometimes our own resistance, our doubts and fears can block the flow of manifestation. By integrating transformative words into your daily practice, you reinforce your commitment to your goals and align yourself with the universe's energy. You become a magnet for your desires, and the universe responds by bringing them into your reality. Now, let's put this knowledge into practice. Here's a simple yet powerful exercise: crafting personalized affirmations. These are positive statements that affirm your desires as if they are already true. For example, if you desire financial abundance, you could say, I am a money magnet. Wealth flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. If you desire a loving relationship, you could say, I am surrounded by love. I attract a loving and fulfilling relationship into my life. Personalize these affirmations to resonate with your specific desires. Speak them with conviction. Feel the emotions as if they are already true and repeat them often. The more you do this, the more you reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in your desires, and the easier it becomes for them to manifest. Self-belief is crucial in this process. Limiting beliefs, such as, I'm not good enough or I don't deserve this, can sabotage your efforts. But Neville Goddard's teachings remind us that we are not bound by these beliefs. We have the power to transform them. First, identify your limiting beliefs. Then, challenge their validity. Are they really true? Finally, create new empowering affirmations that contradict these beliefs and support your desires. Repeat these affirmations until they become your new reality. Friends, your words don't just shape your internal landscape, they also influence your external environment. This is where the concept of transformational vocabulary comes in. It's about intentionally choosing words that carry positive and empowering connotations, words that align with the reality you want to create. Instead of saying, I have to work, say, I get to work. Instead of, I'm stuck in traffic, say, I'm enjoying a moment of stillness. These subtle shifts in language can make a big difference in how you perceive your circumstances. As you embark on this journey of manifestation, remember, you are the author of your life story. The words you choose, the thoughts you entertain, and the environment you create all contribute to the masterpiece that is your reality. So I encourage you to embrace the power of your words. Speak your desires into existence. Believe in the possibilities. Let go of attachment and trust in the divine timing. Surround yourself with positivity and support. And most importantly, never stop believing in your own infinite potential. I hope this video has given you valuable insights and practical tools to manifest your dreams. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Thank you for joining me on this journey of transformation. Remember, your words have power, your thoughts create reality, and you are capable of manifesting a life beyond your wildest dreams.